For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Konrad kongkal sangma ula kubur bakla dan gejing kiau ha gejing yo jong kibriya gejing pang COVID-19 ha gejela. Bad ula kentui kinong syong bagian beteng ban buat ya ki kendon da ke badeng ki mas baneng jengai iwe ni iwe pat bad ban long ki balek koj. Balada ki paidbah ki sung shito malu malaru ki de ban chim gilat jingiada ban tek lakam bakin pynsaphriang ya gejing pang shikiwe. Ulong habalasaki bakla dan gejing kiau ha gejing yo ya uknyang jengpang COVID-19. Kumta ka jingle igi test kalaya chikaman bar ka bakham pensting mensiam kadai bu nuk nyang jingpang uwa menta day ubadama hado kata-kata ban ya uknyang jingpang corona hagis nam balale.
But whatever evidence that we've seen in the past few months or weeks of the COVID, that it is a milder version of the previous ones compared to previous ones. So that is giving us some sense of relief that it's not as as deadly as the Delta variant that was there earlier. So we're seeing it to be slightly milder. That's what the evidence shows. We cannot be sure, but looks like it's milder. But we have not let down our guards. We are ensuring that any cases that come up, we're taking necessary action. And we have urged people also, without having any kind of specific rules or making anything mandatory, that wherever possible, precautions like avoiding, congested areas and wearing masks and taking precautions. These things people should do at their own level, and so that we can take care. And then we are obviously making sure that the overall health infrastructures in key locations are also there, so that we are ready for any eventuality. Regarding the vaccinations right now, yes, there could be keeping in mind the fact that if you have to vaccinate everybody in booster shots, then we will not have obviously enough for everybody. But these concerns are being taken up by the Government of India. But as of now, we have not got any indication regarding any free vaccines as of now. So it will be on payment basis. But we will take necessary steps, and we are taking necessary steps to ensure that whatever shortage is there, and if anybody is wanting to take the booster vaccine because it's not made mandatory as such, then we'll make sure that it's available.